and welcome to Crafty Club. Today I will be showing you how to do a really cute and meaningful needlepoint ornament. Please be sure to give a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. On to the video. Alright, so these are really cute packs and they come with the ornament stitch up, they come with a needle, all of the strings that you need, and there are so many different ones that you can get. I also have those two are the ones that I haven't done so far. And so, this is a finished one that I've done, and I have a little label that says hand sewn for you by Caroline that I just stuck onto the back of it too. That makes it even more personal. So our first step is going to be to thread our needle with the color that we have. I've done all of it except the white part in the middle. So you're just going to leave a little tail on one side of the needle, so it's just going to be one string wide, and so you're just going to stick it up, and then you're going to make sure that you're holding onto the string, the end of the string. You can leave like an inch or two, and you're just going to make sure that you're holding onto that as you do your first, 4 or 5 stitches. And so as I just showed you, I motioned with my hands, it's going in a diagonal pattern, so you're going from one stitch and up diagonal to the right to the next one. So you're just gonna take a look at the video that's being shown right now, and you'll kind of see the motion of how you do one stitch up to the right. One thing that I find is very helpful is just to tape all of your loose strings up in the back. That way they won't get all tangled up. So you're just going to continue stitching in whatever pattern, in whatever way it shows you that you need to do that color. This is how it looks once you have finished stitching all of it up. It's one nice cohesive little ornament. So you're just going to trim off the tail, making sure that you leave 2 or 1 inches on the back, and then I'm just going ahead and taping the rest of it up. That way once I sew it together it's going to stay all secure. So now what I'm doing is I'm threading my needle with a green thread, that way it'll blend in. And so now you're just going to stitch up around, you're just going to use the plastic stitching that they've done around the ornament as a guide. So you're just going to stitch the velvet and the actual part that has your stitching on it together. Now you don't have to put stuffing in it, but I like it to be a little 3-dimensional. So you're just going to sew it all up, and if you are going to stuff it with some pillow stuffing, then you're just making sure that you leave a 2 or 3 inch gap or bigger if you feel like you need more space. That way you can just leave a gap to stuff it. Now I have sewn everything else except for that little pocket, and so now I'm just going to take a little stuffing and rip it into manageable amounts, and I'm just going to stuff it into the ornament and kind of fluff it around until I have the amount of stuffing that I'm satisfied with. And now I'm just going to stitch up the part that I haven't already. And then this is how it turned out. It's a really cute gift, and I think it's really meaningful. It takes a little bit of time, but it's really cute and it's a really personal gift. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that maybe you'll try an ornament or keep it in mind for next year. It's a really nice gift to give to someone because it takes a fair amount of time, and it just shows that you are dedicated to making a gift for them. So please be sure to give a big thumbs up if you haven't already, and subscribe if you're not already a part of the Crafty Club.